Hey, I know dividing fractions seems super duper confusing, but trust me, if you watch this entire video, you'll learn how to divide fractions. But before I continue the video, I just want to say thank you to those who subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, leave likes, leave comments, and tell me how great the videos were, or how it helped them, or how it helped others, and just tell me that the channel is positive, and they love how the channel is constructed and how I'm presenting these videos, and the goal here is that I want these videos to reach those that need them. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That way the numbers go up, these videos get pushed to those viewers that really need to watch these videos, and I appreciate those feedback. So thank you. And now let's start with this video. And so in this video, you'll learn that the copy change flip method for dividing fractions is not just a shortcut, but is based on the core concept of multiplying by the reciprocal. So look at all these notes that I have for you. You can take a screenshot of this actually and just keep it for yourself. But here's an example. I have 8 divided by 2 over 3. And notice that I'm using the copy change flip method, and the first thing I did was to write the 8, so that's the copy. Then I changed the operation, the division sign, to a multiplying sign or multiplication sign. That is the change. And then the fraction 2 over 3, I flipped it to 3 over 2. And so all you need to do now is you multiply 8 times 3, which is 24, divided by 2. That gives you 12. And that's the answer. Simple. Now, the other way to solve that problem, or dividing that fraction, not only using the copy change flip method, but using the core concept of using the concept of multiplying by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal is a flip of the divisor. So let me go ahead and write the problem here. So it's 8 divided by, it was 2 over 3 equals. So we're going to flip this divisor. This is your divisor. 2 over 3 is your divisor, and the 8 is your dividend. And so the reciprocal will be the flip of the divisor. So it's going to be 3 over 2, just like that. So that is your reciprocal. And a good way to visualize this problem is by writing it like this: 8 divided by 2 over 3. Easy. And let me go ahead and move or shift this to the left just a little so we have some space. And now you're going to multiply the divisor by the reciprocal, and you do the same with the dividend. So it's going to be 3 over 2 and 3 over 2. And so 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. So that gives you 1. And I'll just erase this. There. And then 8 times 3 is 24. So I'll just write 24 here. So 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. And then 12 divided by 1 is 12. And there you go. There are 2 ways to solve problems dealing with dividing fractions. So 8 divided by 2 over 3, you can use the copy change flip method, or you can use the core concept of multiplying by the reciprocal. Now let's do another problem for practice. Now let's use let's use the method copy, change, flip, and then using the core concept of multiplying by the reciprocal. So this will be copy, change, flip, and then multiplying by reciprocal. This reciprocal. I'm just gonna say recip for short. All right. So we copy the 4. We're using the copy, change, flip method. So we copy the 4, then we change the division to multiplying, and then we flip. The 2 over 5 becomes 5 over 2. So 5 over 2. And so 4 times 5, that's 20 over 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. And if you don't know how I got the 10, let me go ahead and do the long division for you. So you have 20 over 2. And then this is your long division symbol. The 2 goes out, the 20 goes in, that's your dividend, and the divisor is outside. So how many times can 2 fit into 20? 10 times. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So that's how I got the 10. So your answer is 10. Now let's go ahead by let's go ahead and use the multiplying by the reciprocal way of solving this problem. So it's going to be written like this: 4 divided by 2 over 5, just like that. Let me write the 5 a little bit better. There. And so we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2 over 5, and let me write that down here. Reciprocal is going to be the flip of 2 over 5, which is going to be 5 over 2. And so we're going to multiply both sides. 5 over 2. 5 over 2. And so we should know that when you multiply the dividend by its reciprocal, it's 1. So I'm just going to write 1. And if that did not make sense, like all you have to do is multiply 2 over 5, or 2 times 5 is 10. And let me just write it over here. So that would be 10 and 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So the 1 goes under here. And then let me just erase all this. And then 4 times 5 is 20. So I'll just write it over here. Over 2. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then 10 divided by 1 is 10. So your answer is 10. Easy. Now, you can leave it like this, 10 over 1, because there's 2 ways to write 10. You can write it like this, which A means any number, and we have 10. 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Cool. And there you go. So for those 2 problems, I mean, it's the same problem. We just solved it 2 different ways. While the problem isn't written in the copy change flip format, it shows the core concept of multiplying by the reciprocal. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and thank you.